Hi and welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to create Facebook page professionally step by step. And if you want to create one, I'll suggest you to do it with me. Let me take you to my screen and let's do it together. First, log into your Facebook account, and if you don't have one, you need to create one. Once you have your account, click on upper right corner where there is a plus sign, move down and click on page. First thing we're going to do is we'll set up a page name. I'll write my name in page name as I'm a YouTuber, so I need to promote my YouTube videos on my Facebook page. And then we have category. Category exists for when people search on Facebook for different pages. We can add some categories that describes our business. Like if you have a specific business, like you have bakery, you can add bakery here. So very important, when you start writing, it will give a pop-up and you need to choose from there only. If you don't choose, it will not accept. So like if I am typing digital marketing, it's the option is not there, so it will not accept that. That's why I have written digital creator. It is accepting this one. Then going down, we are also going to write a description. Now it is not very important if you want to run an ad, as it doesn't show up. It shows when someone enters your page, so it gives first impression when someone enters your page directly. Writing my channel description here, you can write find the best deal or your unique product if you are selling a product, something like that. You probably want to make a little bit catchy that describe your business. Now click on create page. Now you need to wait for some time as it is taking some time to process. So it's done now. Now we need to enter some of the details here. So let's start with that. If you have website, you enter your website. If you don't have one, just skip this one. You write your contact number here. Now enter your email. Now enter your address. I'm skipping this for now. And you can also mention your hours of working. So I can write always open, and if you're open in between 9 to 5 and whatever your timings are, you can just mention it here. It shows like this. Now click on next. So the page has been created. Now there are two things we can add. One is profile picture and second is cover photo. So you can include your logo in profile picture, and dimension should be 500 by 500 pixels, and that should be in PNG. And cover photo should be 315 by 850 pixels, that should also be in PNG. If you don't have profile picture and cover photo, I'll suggest you to choose from these two options. First is you can create it from canva.com like I did it. And second, if you're a beginner, I strongly recommend you to go to Fiverr and order a profile picture for your business. It probably cost you $5. If you want to create it on Canva, I'll share the link in the description box. Canva is also easy to use if you want to create it by your own. I'll share the link in the description box. Profile picture is really very important to give a professional look to your Facebook page. If you run an ad also, the two things that show up is the profile picture and the name. So make sure you choose the best way. So let's move further. The profile picture is going to be the only one that's actually going to show when we are running a ad. Cover photo is just going to display if someone actually visit your page. So since I come prepared, I'm going to set up both the cover picture and the profile picture. Now at least we have a decent looking Facebook page. Click on add action button. With this, your audience and your visitor can directly get in touch with you. You can create WhatsApp button or you can create call now button so that your audience can directly get in touch with you on WhatsApp or they can directly call you. And I am adding watch now button so that my audience can directly visit my channel. Now you can save this. Now when you click on next, it will show you to invite your friends. So you can just select from here to whom you want to invite on your page. As you can't send it to all because not everybody will be your target audience. So you can select it from here whom you want to send the invite. Once you select, just click on send invites. Now you can click on next and then done. So our Facebook page has been created. Now we'll do some of the settings. So my banner is not showing properly, so I'll edit cover photo and we'll do reposition of this banner like this. So let's move to professional dashboard settings. So page overview. Once you start posting on your page, this will give overview of your page, like post reach, post engagement, new page like, new followers. So let's navigate to posts. So once you have your post, you can check from here the post reach and engagement. Let's click to audience. This will show once you have at least 100 followers. Now ad center, this is entirely a different topic, so this I'll cover in my next video. So next is invite friends. You can invite friends from your profile. So this we did earlier also. You can do it from here as well. You can also post job on this page. So there are many settings options you can explore from here, and this is manage and view access. This shows that who all have access to your page. You can add new here and assign somebody else also, like if you want to give access to some other employer as well. So there are many settings in the professional dashboards. You can just explore them, and if you find any difficulty, just let me know on the comment section. I'll help you with this. You can also explore the message setting option. This is really nice. Like you can set an instant message to your audience. There are many options in it. You can type in your message as well. Otherwise, you can use this which is already there. And one more important is linked accounts. Here you can link your Instagram account or WhatsApp account with this page. I tried covering all of these options, and there is one more important option is business app. If you want to select a business app from these options, these are not for free. This will give you trial for some days, and then you need to pay for these. And if you go in stars, this is like a creator studio, the same we do in YouTube. So it's basically for the YouTubers, or if you want to upload a video, you can just do it from here as well. So now let's move to our home page. We can explore some of the options here as well. So now we'll explore settings. Go to settings, and you can do some of the pacing settings here. Here you can just write your username and name, and then let's move to privacy settings. Here you can manage your privacy settings, like manage your page and your activity, who all can see your future post. You can just edit from here, and review all your posts and things you tagged in, and how people can find you. Do you want search engines outside of your Facebook to link your page? So I did yes, so you do according to you. So this shows when this setting is on, search engine may link to your page in their results. When this setting is off, search engine will stop linking to your page, but this may take some time. Your page can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name of your page. It's better if you put it on. Facebook page information. This is basically if you want to transfer a copy of your post, photos or videos to Google Drive or Dropbox, you can use this one. Now if you can navigate to public post, you can do settings like who can follow my page, public page information, your username and all. Now if you move to blocking, so you need to block your users, your app, your pages, you can do that. And in stories, if you want somebody to share your stories on their page, you can do this if you want to allow that. And then reels and journal resources. From here you can do reel setting, who can see your post. So before you create your post, you need to do the settings. Moving back to your home page, if you click on three dots, you can start tour, and this will tell you about the basic icons on your home page. Like the corner option, easily switch between your page and profile. Then for this, quickly get stuff done. These are settings option actually. And explore your page feed. So this takes you to the basic options on the page. And lastly, if you click here, this is a menu option. You can just create post from here. Now I'm creating one for you. I'm just posting my link of my YouTube video. So just like this, and there's option of boost post. This is like paid service if you want to opt for. So if not, you can just directly post it and let's see the response. So see how the post look like.
Hope you enjoyed my video and I tried my best to make you understand. And still, if you have any query, you can just write in the comment section below. And please appreciate my effort by pressing the like button, subscribing my channel, and see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.